What are we trying to tell the bird?
Go away.
Bird, go away. Is there a woodpecker?
Woodpecker.
What's he doing?
Dilly.
Is he making noise?
What's that?
What's that? That's a woodpecker, and he's putting a hole in our house. That's why we say, what do you want to tell the bird?
Bird, go away.
Bird, go away. That's right. Want to put your helmet on?
No.
Come on.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
What's what?
What's human?
Huh?
So toes.
The helmet for your toes? That's the most important part to protect when you're riding a bike. Forget the head.
Bike.
For riding a bike.
Bike.
The bike. Oh, you got a runny nose?
Bird, go away. Bird, go away.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Stop putting a hole in my house. Where are we right now? Whose room is this?
Mommy house.
No, whose room is this? This room. Whose room?
Mommy.
No, whose room is this right here? Whose room is this right here? Whose room is this? Whose room is this right here? Who's gonna live in here?
What's that? Bird, go away.
Is this the baby's room?
Baby's room.
Yeah.
Baby.
Are we trying to decorate baby Taylor's room? Yeah. Organizing. Picking out paint. I love you. Bird, go away.
Bird, go away.
See you later. What'd you find? What'd you find in Daddy's drawers? What do you see?
Daddy.
You found a picture of Daddy? Let me see. Can you show the camera?
Daddy.
That's not Daddy. That's Big Daddy.
Tom.
No, that's not Uncle Tom. I don't know who that is.
Big Daddy.
Yeah. Say love you, Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. Daddy.
Okay, bye.